Today, I'm going to show you how to install GIMP on PC. GIMP is a great free alternative to Photoshop or Canva if you don't want to pay for photo editing software yet. Search for GIMP. First, open your browser and Google GIMP. Go to Downloads. Click on the first link that appears. It will bring you directly to GIMP's download page. You'll see a few different download options here. Choose Download GIMP directly, and your download will begin immediately. Once the file is downloaded, open the Setup installer. Click OK, and then click Install. When the setup finishes, launch GIMP. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.